Stop going to the store to buy strawberry seeds for planting. If you follow the method I'm going to show you in this video, you will not only save tons of money, but it will save you that time, that trip to the store every year to buy strawberry seeds for planting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the tips and the tricks that you need to know to grow tons of free strawberries like what I have right here. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. So make sure you watch this video to the end because you will thank me later. Okay, so that's the same method that I used to grow this strawberry, and this is just one seed giving me all these fruits. So stick around to the end of this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, share with your friends and family. Okay guys, let's jump right into the process. So just grab one strawberry. Just one strawberry can give you thousands of seeds that you can plant over and over again. So you can see that on this strawberry, it has seeds. Unlike other fruits that have their seeds inside the fruit. As for strawberry, the seeds are on the fruit. So just go ahead and peel it like this. Just cut it a little bit deeper. You want to cut it, take note of that. You want to cut it a little bit deeper, okay? All right, and then you grab a paper towel, and as you're cutting it, you place it on that clean paper towel. I'm going to tell you why we do that. So this is another method of removing the seeds from the fruits. Just sit down all day and remove the seeds, from the fruit one by one. I don't have time for this, and I wouldn't want you to do this either. So just use this method. This one of just peeling it like this onto your paper towel, okay? And then you just go ahead and enjoy the fruit. See how beautiful it looks? Enjoy the fruit. And then we're going to keep this paper towel, put it under the sun, and just sun dry it for about 3 days or 2 days, depending on how hot the temperature is, okay? But you can sun dry it for 2 days, okay? Or you can dry it in room temperature for 5 days. Okay, so guys, after drying my strawberries, you can see this is what it looks like. This is why we had to put it on the paper towel, because it makes it dry. Now the strawberry is sticking to the paper towel so that it's very easy for us to remove the seeds like this. You see? So make sure you put it in a container so that it doesn't fall on the ground, because the seeds are very, very tiny. So you want to make sure that you put it in a container and then remove the seeds like this. So guys, this is what it looks like. You can see the seeds are very, very tiny. Very tiny. It looks like a mustard seed. I don't know if it's smaller than a mustard seed, but it's tiny. But from this, just one seed, just this one tiny seed out of this is going to give you tons of fruits. Isn't nature amazing? Nature is so amazing. So I'm going to put my seeds in a Ziploc bag because I'm not going to finish all this. This is a lot. These are thousands of seeds. I'm going to plant it this year. I'm going to plant it next year also. So this is what they look like. Very tiny. I had to bring the camera very close so that you guys can see it closely. So I had to label it because I have other seeds in my kitchen. So yeah, you can put it in a newspaper or a brown bag. So I planted from that seeds, those seeds that you saw, I planted just one seed here. This is just one seed out of those thousands of seeds, this is just one seed that is giving me this much fruits. So you can imagine if I had planted all those seeds, it would have given me a lot of fruits, but I do not have space to plant all of them. So that's why I'm planting it this year and preserving some for next year, guys. So yeah, you see it's ripe already, and these small ones are still green. They are not ripe yet, so I'm gonna leave them, give them some weeks, say 2 weeks. They will be very ripe. And my daughter, my son, they love strawberries. So if your kids are strawberry eaters like mine, or if you love strawberries the way I do, this is a very good process for you, because this is going to save you tons and tons of money every year. You can see somebody grabbed it from my hand. My daughter did. So repeat the same process over and over. Out of the thousands of strawberry fruits that you have in your garden, make sure that you preserve one to give you those seeds that you will plant again the following year. Repeat this process over and over again. Thank you so much for watching.